Hello, I'm Mike. You're about to find out something that you probably deemed impossible. You can pack on as much muscle as you want without lifting weights, without expensive gym memberships, fancy miracle supplements, or any of these hyped acai berries nonsense. You're about to go deep into the somewhat twisted world of bodybuilding and fitness, and you're about to find out what happens when things go exactly opposite of what the whole world is expecting to happen. What am I talking about? Before we go further, let me make this clear. I have a withered right arm with only one finger on it. I was born with the genetics of a typical skinny guy. My highest weight ever was about 148 pounds at a height of about 6 feet. All I ever wanted was to be a big guy. So I tried to take up weightlifting. Unfortunately, as you might imagine, things didn't go too well. Every single gym I went to, people kept treating me like some kind of cripple. None of the instructors would let me train with proper weights. That sucked, because I knew I could handle it, but these guys just wouldn't give me a chance. So after spending countless hours getting nowhere in the gym, I got pissed off. It got me thinking, there has to be a better, faster way to train for muscle gain. So I started to do some hefty research on how the old-time strongmen used to train before weightlifting came into play. I also got in touch with a relative of mine who was in the military. I squeezed every single detail from him as to the way they trained, what they did, why, the works. What came next? Well, soon enough, I began to apply the techniques I'd learned from both the strongmen era and the military. I began to see how they worked in real life, on my own body, and I quickly began to filter out the facts and all the good stuff from the useless info. And what I've managed to obtain is nothing less than extraordinary. And you know what the best part is? It's about doing it without ever stepping into a gym, without useless drugs, or without taking countless hours out of your busy schedule to do it. Now tell me, what's your problem? Tired of paying for those expensive gym memberships that haven't paid off? Don't have access to a gym but still crave to build some solid muscle? Or maybe you just love bodyweight training, but people keep telling you you can't build muscle without weights. It doesn't matter whether you're new to bodyweight training, whether you're an advanced bodyweight trainer, or even if you're a weightlifter who simply wants to make a switch. When you use this system, you will build muscle. What system am I talking about? It's called the Muscle Experiment, and it will change your life just like it's changed mine. It comes with the Muscle Experiment Super Freak Manual, free bonus number 1, the 8-pack manual, free bonus number 2, the Bodyweight Exercise Database, free bonus number 3, Muscle Building Meal Plans, free bonus number 4, the A2 Factor, free bonus number 5, printable workout logs, free bonus number 6, Anabolic Calorie Calculator, free bonus number 7, advanced 24-week muscle gain program, plus free updates for life. It's everything you'll ever need to develop the perfect physique. Let me ask you a question. How much is your dream body worth to you? You definitely won't get a better deal than you have right here. This program usually sells for $127, but for a limited time, this amazing system will only cost you a one-time investment of $67. Use the system and see the results for yourself. And if you honestly haven't packed more muscle, got more ripped, or gotten stronger, I want you to write me and tell me, and I'll refund you the entire purchase price. If this amazing system doesn't work for you, then you have all the right to ask for a refund within the next 60 days. All I ask is you try the system for at least 4 weeks. On the other hand, if my Super Freak system produces incredible results for you, I want you to not only write and tell me about it, but also tell your friends about the Muscle Experiment. Deal? Every moment you delay is a moment you must continue to face having the same skinny, unimpressive body that you have. If you procrastinate, you will always wonder how your life would have changed by using the Muscle Experiment Super Freak program. Don't let those thoughts haunt you. Take advantage of our unconditional money-back guarantee and put the Muscle Experiment to the test in the comfort of your own home. Order now by clicking the Add to Shopping Cart button below.